Fire safety requirements for building materials are constantly increasing. Flame retardants are used to reduce flammability, smoke and smoke toxicity, as well as droplet formation during combustion. With EcoPiren, you can produce polymeric materials that meet high fire safety standards. It's a natural magnesium hydroxide produced from a mineral called Brucite. EcoPiren is used in the production of halogen-free and PVC cables. Lab tests have shown that EcoPiren is an effective flame retardant for polymer compounds and significantly decrease smoke production and its toxicity. EcoPiren is used in manufacturing aluminium composite panels. The inner layer compound prevents fire from spreading vertically along the facade of the building and reduces the toxicity of combustion products. EcoPiren magnesium hydroxide makes aluminium composite panels suitable for use even under the highest fire safety standards. EcoPiren is used in the production of bitumen and TPO roofing membranes. Tests performed have shown that with an equal content of fire retardants, the membrane has a smaller combustion area thanks to magnesium hydroxide content. Moreover, EcoPiren makes materials self-extinguishing and also forms a solid char layer which prevents formation of burning droplets and heat flow. Tests have shown that EcoPiren is an effective fire safety solution born in the earth. Take advantage of the unique properties of natural magnesium hydroxide. From geology to innovation. Brucite Plus.